Hello and welcome to this video. This is a very a bit of a change from my usual videos. This is a video on the JML, as seen on TV, Chillmax Air Personal Space Cooler. Now this is something that I have just bought today from a local supermarket. Now, the reason why I bought this is because of how you can see, well, you might be able to see on my clock, on my little snazzy clock, that it is 35.4 degrees C here. Now, it has come down a little bit since I've been put this unit on. It was 37, now it is 35.4, so it is climbing down, so it is working. Now this unit I bought for $29.99, and if anyone doesn't know who JML is, they are a quite big firm that does loads of things. They more do like general things, like I think they've got a few things where they're basically always on British television, with their latest inventions like the JML. They've got like a special mop, a steam press. They've got loads of JML cloths, which I've actually got somewhere around here. So yeah, I have bought quite a few of their stuff, and even the lights that you can see up there, they were JML. So and they've been working quite well. So anyway, right. So the reason why I bought this cooler is because the heat in my current settings is unbearable. So I'm actually testing out this this cooler at the moment, and what it basically, so just to give you more of an idea of what this heater, I keep calling it heater, this cooler is, what the functions are. So it's 3 adjustable speeds. It's also got a quiet mode, lightweight and portable, and washable filter. It cool and humidifies. That's the function of it. So it's it's a cool your space fast and easy. Chillmax Air Cooler. New hydro chill technology. Simplify fill Chillmax Air Cooler with water and enjoy cool air anywhere. This powerful personal space cooler fills in warm air from the room through its air cooling filter and turns it into cool, refreshing instantly. Experience cooling comfort with Chillmax Air. So it's a bit of a promotional promotional sort of jingle or something, but it seems to actually work up to now. And that's what it does. So it brings in the warm air at the back and cools it cool moist air, and uses the filter, and obviously it's got a water tank up there. Fill runs up to 10 hours per fill. I will show you the ins and outs of it at the moment. So it's quick and easy. Top fill water tank, hydro hydro chill technology cools and humidifies, and that's what you get in the box. So obviously you get the Chillmax Air, you get the washable filter, air filter, you get a plug adapter 1.8 meter, which is just an ordinary UK standard plug. You might get different in other regions, so it's more of a location, more of a regional plug you get. Easy instruction guide, which the instruction guide is incredibly easy actually. Multi-directional air vent, and obviously those are the functions that the environments that it can do. So it's great for living rooms, offices, kitchens, dressing rooms, bedrooms, and basements, and more. I don't know why they've got a woman doing yoga in a basement. Weird, but anyway. So yeah, so I don't know why you couldn't do yoga in your bedroom. Some people do actually. I know one person who does yoga in the spare room. So yeah, so it's well, you could do yoga in the kitchen. I don't know why it's got, but anyway, it's a bit weird, that one, but yeah. So anyway, so that's the box. This is the cooler. So as you see, there's the vent. I know it may be a bit noisy, but it's on at the moment. There's the water tank. So that's filled with water. Full up with water. I can't bloody speak at the moment. Full up with water. So you've got the max level. Oops. You got the max level there. As you see, it has water in it. I probably contaminated it, but never mind. You have a speed indicator there, and you have 3 speeds. So you have that's low speed. That's off. So it goes from 3, 2, 1 off. That's the light, so you can have it off, on, or dull. I just have it on anyway. So the power connector is right at the back. That's the little filter, as you can see there. I'm trying to not damage the filter. These can be replaced, so I'm not sure how much the replacement filters are. I'm going to have to have a look. I will put it in the description below how much the replacement filters are from the official website. Doing it anyway, but let's try and see if that, yeah. So right, just give us a second while I get the manual. Right, so as you can see now, I've got the user manual in front of me. So there's the Chillmax Air cooler. I'm not sure what model number it is, but there's the functions. So you've got all the functions in it. Yep, from JML, and that is the model specifications. Alright, so there's the model number. So it's a BS18009. The adapter is a GQ06-050150-AB, and that's the output. So that's the UK output. Oops, hang on. So there, so it's 140 volts. Oops, hang on. 1 to 140 volts, which is the UK output. It's a UK grid, and it's 50 to 60 hertz, and it's got a 3 amp max fuse in it. I think it has. I think it says there, and it is DC 5V 1.8 amp. I think that's what it's saying there, but people may, but most likely some people will correct me in that. Let's see if focus is bloody focus. Yeah, so this is how you just power it up. Oh right, there's clips at the back, I didn't realise that. Well, I'll have to sort that out in a bit. For the power cable, the filter, as you see in the filter there, it just drops inside the little shelf there. Best results: pre-soak the filter under cold running water for even more cooling power, and place a wet filter in the freezer until frozen. Place back into the... Oh right, so you can actually freeze these filters. That's good. I didn't realise that. Right, so I'm going to have to try that. I'll probably buy a filter and try that and let you know what it's like. Make sure the drawer is fully closed until make sure the filter, sorry, make sure the drawer is, where the fuck, make sure the drawer is fully closed or the filter will not or the unit will not operate. I can't bloody read the bleeding thing. This is going to turn out quite well. Right, so there's the setup. If you wanna have a gander at that. There's the little setup there. There's the power modes. So you press 1 for power on, 2 for medium, 3 for quiet mode, or 4 for power off. And that's how you just set up the directional vents. So there's the vent at the front. There's more little bits of functions with the light and everything. That's maintenance. So you can actually dishwash. You can actually wash the filter if it gets all dusty, which is handy if you smoke next to it, which I don't really. I used to smoke, but I don't really smoke. Wink, wink, as often anyway. But I'm seriously trying to give up. So there's more important information if you wanna pause the video and have a look at that. Sorry about the shaking. There's more safety advice. There's more safety advice. And this is the basic for best results. So you can pre-soak it, fill it up with water, set airflow and clean filter. So yeah, so it's, by the way, this isn't a sponsored video. This is just something that I bought that I have really needed for quite some time. I've seen these in my local supermarket, which is only down the road, and I've been toying with the idea of buying it. And I was in there just today, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna buy it because it gets pretty hot, pretty nasty in this route in my humble abode. And I thought, look, I'll try it for 29 quid. I'll try it, and yeah, and well, as you see there, it's 35.4, so it has gone down a little bit, and it will continue to go down, but it is getting, as you see, it's 4 minutes, sorry, 25 to 5, so it will naturally go down. But the big test is I will leave it on all day tomorrow, because I'm in all tomorrow, so I'll have a proper test tomorrow and tonight, and then let's see what it's like. Okay, right, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. and I hope it wasn't too janky for you, too unfocused for you. And yeah, anyway, I hope to see you next time on another video. Please stay safe, and I know the rules are changing in a few days. Well, it should be changed, should be all changed in the UK as of the date of this posting. So please be sensible, please be careful, and just be respectful for other people. Okay, right. I will see you next time on another video. Oh, by the way, I have a new radio station, radio show on the radio called Demo's Show. The first show is going to go out. It was supposed to go out yesterday, but it's not. It's going to go out next week. So that's hang on, let's check. That is going to be the 23rd of July. That's on All FM 96.9. It's called Demo's Show, and it goes out at 9 AM GMT, so that's British Standard Time, or BST. So I hope to see you there, and it's a fantastic show. I hope you like it, and please give my Facebook group a look in. That's got all the information that you will need for the for this show and all the updates. So yep, I hope to see you there. And I have also got a podcast, which I haven't done one in the last 2 weeks, which I really should do one, but the next one should be coming out within the next week, hopefully, if I can get some time. So please don't forget to give that a go, and that's also in the links down below. But yep, I will see you all next time on another video. Be safe, and I will see you all pretty soon. Bye for now. Bye.